Man, let's talk about crazy real estate agents for a second. If you're selling real estate, you're certainly familiar with the fact that there's all different types of real estate agents out there, right? We've co-opted with a lot of them that were less than desirable or did not do what they were supposed to do, that type of thing. But what I'm talking about today is from a marketing perspective, real estate agents that are just absolutely freaking lost. And here's what I mean. So we know for sure that the real estate market has never been hotter than it is right now. Not since the Louisiana Purchase has the real estate market been hotter than it is now. We've had big ups, we've had big downs, right? So if you've been licensed long enough to remember like 2006, 2007, when the market was crazy hot, we know that we were getting a couple of multiple offers, and a lot of times homes would sell for over asking price. How about now, right? Like 15 offers, 20 offers, homes going for $100,000 over asking price. This is the hottest market we've ever seen. And let me tell you what I mean when I say crazy realtors. This is the biggest time of our life. And if you don't have someone helping you, like a sales coach, a marketing coach, a head coach, somebody to help you out. I'll give you an example. So many of you, if you've been following me for a while, you know that my son and I recently did a bass fishing tournament. We were going on a fishing tournament. I used to live on a lake. I've lived on several lakes, and I go fishing all the time. I'm a damn good fisherman. But when the chips are down, when it's a big opportunity like that, you get a coach. I actually got a fishing coach for the lake that we were on. Why? Because you need to know what's working now. What are they biting on now? I want you to think about this with buyers and sellers. What are they biting on right now that you could attract that business for yourself? You don't really want buyers right now. You want listings in today's market. But if you don't have somebody that's helping you, this is the equivalent of like the salmon run happening right now, and you're standing on the bank like, look at all these fish out here. I'm getting none of them. You don't need a fishing pole. You need to go buy a net, because you can catch as many of them as that net will drag in. That's the type of market that we're in right now. And if you are not taking advantage of that yourself, if you're not utilizing that, you're going to miss out on the best real estate market we've ever seen. You should be raking in the money. There is no question that right now the real estate market is hotter than it's ever been. There's more money running through the streets than we have ever seen. Like, you might as well forget it if you got a buyer that even needs a conventional loan, because they're going to get beat out by people that are cash buyers. So what I want you to start thinking about in your business is, how are you going to get the assistance that you need to attract business in today's market? How are you going to attract the sellers that you need to have? If you've got good bait, you're catching the fish. If you don't have good bait, none of the fish are biting, and you're wondering how everybody else is catching all these fish, but you're struggling out there. But I got to tell you, as a real estate agent, you are absolutely freaking crazy if you don't have somebody helping you during the middle of the salmon run. Like right now is the greatest time we've ever seen. If you are not raking it in hand over fist. I interviewed an agent the other day that's doing over 27, 28 closings every single month. Last month, over 30 closings. How in the world can you be sitting around and say, oh, the market's tough right now? What are you going to do? Wait on it to change? Wait until there's not this many people interested? Wait until there's not this many closings happening? So this is a great time for you to really get going, but you've got to get the assistance that you need. If you agree that there is tons of money running around in the streets right now, if you agree that homes in your area are selling for over asking price, I want you to hit the like button right here. I want you guys to see this. Let's take a test of the local market around the United States. We have lots of people that watch these videos. If you come back in a day or two, you can look at it and see. Click the like button right here if you're getting tons of offers on properties that are listed. So that way you can see, like, if they're selling for over asking price. That is the actual market we're in. No matter where you're at in the United States, they're selling for over asking price. There's more demand than there is supply, which is great for us as real estate agents, right? So as a matter of fact, if you did click the like button stating that you are getting offers over asking price, in the comments section here, I want you to tell me what city and state that you're in. Because you know what you're going to see here? From sea to shining sea, from California to Connecticut to Florida to Texas and everywhere in between, we're getting tons and tons of offers. Why are you not capitalizing on that? Why are you not going out to just get the listings? So in the comments section here, I want you to type in the city and state that you're in. So I can see Eric is in Houston, Danny is in Colorado, so some of you are starting to type in the areas that you are watching from, and literally sea to shining sea. Angela from Alabama, Andrew from Minnesota, Becky from California, who else we got here? Doug from Washington. A lot of you real estate agents know what's going on today, and you know that today is a new marketing approach for you if you want to get focused in on the listing side of what you do. I just created a brand new listing training that we put together here, totally free, by the way. You can go to getfastclosings.com to see it. It's probably in the description, wherever the description is on this video. So you can actually start making some money for yourself. So you can take advantage of today's market. And everybody from, I can see here, Beth from Florida, Michael from Nashville. We got Huntsville, Alabama here, California again. Absolutely everywhere. I can't really scroll through on my phone here. But I'm seeing a bunch of you. Doug from Seattle, St. Augustine, all over the United States. We know now is the time to get listings. But I got to tell you, like, if you're going to war right now in this market and you don't have somebody to help you out, you're probably not going to end well. You are not going to rake in the amount of money that you need in today's marketplace. So when the market slows, things are going to be even worse for you. So this is the, you know, they've said before, you got to make hay when the sun's shining. Now's the time to do that. You have to take advantage of this. I don't think we'll ever see another market like this again. This is a period of time that you really need to bring in as much revenue as you possibly can. So anyway, if you have not watched that new presentation, I took the old video down from Get Fast Closings and put a brand new one on there, kind of like the, I guess we can call it, or is it safe to say post-pandemic, as we start to come out of the pandemic? There's certainly some approaches you can utilize that will make a lot of money for you. So go check that out, getfastclosings.com. Hopefully you are utilizing a coach, a mentor, a psychiatrist, a marketing director, somebody to help you, to direct you in the right way. So all of these fish that are swimming through, some of them swim into your net. I want you to take advantage of that. I'm here to help you in any way that I can. Check it out, getfastclosings.com. We'll plan on talking to you soon. I'm Greg Luther. By the way, you can find more details on us. We got like a whole free training tab and stuff at gregluthercoaching.com. Check it out. Anything I can do to help you, I'm here to help. But this won't last for long. This market we're in, you better take advantage of it while you can. Go out there and make some money. Keep hustling, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you, because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below, because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.